Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog, and today I am happy to be reviewing the latest from Ipsy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? It's like Christmas every month. This is the, ooh, this is a beautiful, I gotta show you. Box is a little beat up, but what? Is from the Creme Shop, and this is Peaches and Cream, their Fusion Sheet Mask. And in the back is their Blueberry Banana Mask. Ooh. You know what? I will be using this because my face has been going through a breakout. I even have a couple of pimples here. Oof. So this will be, I'll put the price, makeup removing cloths, and the company is the Vintage Cosmetic. That looks really cute. I like the packaging. I think this is a version of the original makeup eraser, which is great. Yeah. I wonder if it works as good as the original makeup eraser though. It says I'm reusable. Just add water, wring it out, and then remove the makeup. Removes makeup using only water. And there's 3 in the pack. Again, I'll put the price there. Let's see what else we have. Oh, something from Ofra. Nice. What is this? Is this a highlighter? Keep their eyes on your peaches in this natural peachy pink flush for beach time or anytime. This blush is created with our liquid to baked tech, just like our highlighters, which makes it smoother and even more pigmented. What? Ideal for fair skin tones and buildable for medium skin tones. And it says how to use. Apply wet or dry with a powder or blush brush to the cheeks for a sun-kissed look. Swipe across the bridge of the nose. Ooh, this is a Bellini blush. You see that? Okay. I'm loving that Ofra is coming through with stuff. Oh, that's beautiful. That's a lovely pink. It almost looks like like a peachy kind of. So I'm gonna put that here and see how that looks. Light, but they say it's buildable. I believe it because Ofra's a pretty good brand. Nice. What next is in this lovely bag? Oh, this is Dose of Colors. Wow, I love Dose of Colors. Vegan, cruelty free, you can't go wrong. Blendable, lightweight, long wear, full coverage. What is this? Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay, let's see this. That's what it looks like. Looks a little light for my skin tone, but we will try it. And I will do a video on this. Wow, Dose of Colors came out with a concealer. Can you believe it? Something from Silky or Silke. I think this is for the hair. Sleek Repair Therapy. Ah, yes, 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 yes. And they have it like vacuum sealed packaging. Okay. Right. And this is paraben and sulfate free. I already smell it. It has a pretty strong scent. So if you're not into scents, this is not going to be for you. Oh, this is very thick. Wow. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it has a pretty strong scent. Yeah, even for me, it's pretty strong. Yeah. Okay. It's the next thing. It's a brush set. What? I think this is a nice set. You see the small detail brush there, the blender brush, the fluffy brush, the contour. Love it. And what brand is this? MOTD, or I don't know if they call themselves Makeup of the Day or Makeup Tools for the Day, but, and they all have different names. Like this is Come Through Contour, the one in the middle. It's actually printed. This one here on this side is called Miss Shady Lady, and the one in the middle is called the Smoky Detailer. So they all have names. That's really cute. That's really cute. And it's pink. Lovely color. Okay. I got something from Anastasia Beverly Hills. What is this? What is this? What is this? Liquid Glow Highlighter. Ooh, nice. And this is in the shade Perla. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see here. All right. Ooh. I don't know if you could see that here. You see that? I don't know if I should shake it. Maybe I should. Doesn't feel like it's something you shake. I don't hear a little piece in there. There you go. It's like a little injector thing. I'm just putting a little bit just to see. I don't always catch a scent. Okay, I'm rubbing it into the skin like so. Oh, look, there is a sheen right there. Perfect for summer. And it's like a glowy highlight, so you could, you know, use it like a highlighter as well. That is pretty. Okay. What else is this? Okay, this is called Complexion Boosting Moisturizer from Air Repair. Air Repair. What does this do? This is a rejuvenating antioxidant formula. It's a moisturizer designed to meet the demands of dull, tired, and dehydrated skin. It doesn't say if it's for the face or for the body. This must be very moisturizing. After cleansing, gently massage a medium layer into face and neck. Okay, so it is for face and neck. Okay, here we go. And there's another brand I haven't heard of, Air Repair. Let me know in the comments below if you've heard of the brand. My goodness, this is the box that keeps on giving. There's still stuff in this box. Let's see. Oh, wow. This beautiful bag. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. It's a drawstring bag. Oh, I think I have to post this, but this is a new product line from Ipsy, and it's called Refreshments. And I'm going to post a follow-up video regarding that. I'm not going to feature it here, but I like that it came with my box, so I don't get charged for extra shipping. Oh my goodness, look how cute this bag is. Oh my god. I feel something in the bag. Oh no. Is this the card? The theme is Stronger Together. It doesn't have the listing of what's inside the box, so that's okay. For a moment there, it would have been nice. I love the bag. It's really, really cute. Love it. Yep, Stronger Together. The future is female. You got this. Like Cher and Dion, and red lipstick and a cat eye, some things are just better together. Celebrate the people and products that make you look and feel your best. Get into this month's theme at ipsy.com/stronger together. Overall, what did I think about this month's Ipsy Plus box? I would say I'm very happy with the tools I received, the skincare and hair care. I would say fantastic. I can't wait to dive in to everything. And regarding that sneak peek, I will be posting a video on something that is the latest venture for Ipsy. Are you intrigued? Check out my next video. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.